passive income is a lie. Not because it doesn't exist, but because almost everything you've been told about it is wrong. You've seen those videos, make money while you sleep, zero work, full income. But if it was that easy, why isn't everyone rich already? In this video, I'm going to show you the real truth about passive income in 2026. What's fake, what actually works, and what beginners should really do instead. Let me guess. You searched how to earn passive income, and suddenly you're seeing dropshipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, online courses, and every video says the same thing. Anyone can do it. So you try, you get excited, you start something, and then nothing happens. No money, no growth, just confusion. And you start thinking, maybe I'm the problem. But the truth is, you're not the problem. The information is. The biggest lie about passive income is this, that you can earn without working. It sounds amazing, but it's completely misleading. Because what no one shows you is the beginning. Every passive income stream has two phases. First, the active phase, hard, slow, frustrating. Second, the passive phase, easy, automated, scalable,